Yeah, Ryder Wood. May 21st every year I'ma do it.
Underscore Shock. Turn it up loud.
May 21st, 1992.
Turn it all the way up. That's my
The
day.
greatest was reincarnated.
Yeah.
I pull up in Lexus. Like my auntie left me the keys to it. I'ma ride them wheels till they fall off. Teasy Mac, blue Buick, cup full of that purple fluid. Slow my rhymes down and make them flow fluid. Nike Life, I just do it. Kick your girl game like it's nothing to it. My dick a dirty Nintendo tape and your girlfriend, she just blew it. Okay, now we got some action. Everything I rap it happen. From me and Lil Hack trapping to me and J Wild blasting. The Scorpion handle plastic. The 4-5 on my packet. Chest pocket on my jacket. I'ma hold that thing down. High point shoot big rounds. Them Butler boys push big pounds. 205 Bricktown. We 20 minutes from the border where you can buy them dicey quarters. Plug brought them here from Florida. Did you catch what I just did? On West Side, I'm the kid. Dicey quarters, what's happening? In Ryder Wood, I'm the captain. You trying to weigh up with the boss hog? You don't want no traction. I can have your brain splatter. Get your vertebrae shout. I just called Al cause I killed the rapper and he told me to go and kill the next one. My next verse is gonna be the best one. My best move is gonna be the next. I just called Al cause I killed the rapper and he told me to go and kill the next one. My next verse is gonna be the best one. My best move is gonna be the next one. Everybody wanna rap, but I ain't with the propaganda. My Twitter beeping like a scandal. Hip hop police on the channel. When your old lady bad, you can't afford no scandal. I feel like Jules Santana in that gold bandana. I'm with the gang, been missing. My Shaka jersey just glistening. Google GPS, time to address that dissing. My rap flow so crazy, punchline so vicious. The world is mine like Tony. I hate swimming with them fishes. It's a blessing that I'm live today. So if you hating on me, hate away. My ex-friends with my other ex and the ugly bitch I never gave play. I seen that whole last Friday. Oh damn man, she tried it. My hair was longer, bruh, fried it. I had to buy that bitch some tried it. This one rapper keep dissing me. I swear I don't let it get to me. Cause he only gangster on the internet. So you couldn't pay him to mention me. Say you a shooter, screenshots don't count. I bet Walla boy felt safe too till his location got found. But he ain't gon' tell nobody about that. It's a fact. If he had checked into that hotel, he wouldn't have came back. Next rapper try me, I'm torching. Chopper gon' split him in portions. That drum and hole 100. I call it the wheel of fortune. My haters that make me a villain. These hoes that ripped out my feelings. I wish I could rip out their guts. I bet they would taste like some chitlins. I hate the mayor especially. Sometimes I feel like he testing me. When he be talking about thugs, I always feel he addressing me. Me and Black Al Pacino, we are black business owners. We didn't even need a loan. We make enough off the corner. Last year we dropped the mixtape. Now it's time for us to drop the next one. The next one is gonna be the best one. The best one is gonna be the next. I just called Al cause I killed a rapper and he told me to go and kill the next one. My next verse is gonna be the best one. My best move is gonna be the next one. I just called Al cause I killed a rapper and he told me to go and kill the next one. My next verse is gonna be the best one. My next move is gonna be the best one. Yeah. Ryder Wood. Ryder Wood Boss Hog. Ryder Wood Shocker. Ryder Wood forever. May 21st, 2016. On me and Notorious B.I.G. birthday, I'm dropping my next mixtape. Is gonna be 32. YouTube.com. Make it simple for you to get. Cashflow Click. Vol Boys in this bitch.